Good morning, class 6th. Let's start exercise 6.2. First question is add the following. Add the decimal numbers. To add the decimal numbers, we have to follow 3 steps. The first step is you have to convert all the unlike decimals into like decimals. If your decimal numbers are not in like decimal form, then you have to convert it into like decimal. That work we have already done in previous exercise. So start with that. So in the first term after decimal there are 3 digits. In second term after decimal 2 digits are there. In third term only 1 digit is there. So in this case, to convert it into like decimal, we will make all the numbers after decimal, all digits should be 3. So first will be written as it is. The second will become 2.670 and the third number will become 0.300. Now after decimal 3 digits and 3 digits. So write it in a, when you are going to write it, decimal point should be under decimal point, then 0.300. Now normally add them. 8 plus 0 8, 3 plus 7 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 3 12, again 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So your answer is 4.208. Now move to second question. So here we are in next question also we have to follow 3 steps. The first step is convert the decimal number into like decimal if required. If numbers are already in the like decimal, then no need to change. Write down the numbers one under the other. So write the numbers in the column form with the decimal point lined up. The decimal point should be under decimal point. Add using column addition method. Remember to put the decimal point in the answer. So similarly you can do the next sum, that is 0.203. Next is 234.5609 and 10. So in the last number no decimal point is there, so we will use the decimal point at the end. So in the first term 3 digits, in the second term 4 digits. So first of all make it a like decimals by using by adding zeros at the end. So in the last term it will become 10.0000. So add them. 0.2030, 234.5609, 10.0000 plus it will become 9367.442. that is your answer. Now similarly you can try next 3 part. Now move to question number 2. Subtract the following. So in question number 2 we have to subtract the following from 0.86 from 20. You have to subtract 0.86 from 20. So from means this is your first term, this one is your second term. In the case of from, you will subtract like 10 minus 1. In addition and subtraction you have to follow same steps, that first of all your numbers should be in like decimal, and after that you have to lined up and then you have to add or subtract in a column form. So in this question decimal point is missing. To make it a like decimal, what we will do, we will use the 2 zeros at the end of the number. Now after decimal 2 digits, after decimal 2 digits. How we will subtract? 20.00 minus 0.86, it will become 0.00 minus 0.86. 0 become 10, this become 9, this one is 9, this one is 1. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 0 9, 1 minus 1, that is your answer. Now next is second part, that is 24.78 from 247.456. So in this case first convert it into like decimal by using 0 at the end from 247.456. So 247.456 minus 24.780, 6 minus 0 6, 5 become 15, 4 become 13, this becomes 6, 15 minus 8 7, 13 minus 7 6, 6 minus 4 2, 4 minus 2 2 2, this is your required result. Similarly you can try next 3 parts, and now move to question number 3. Now in question number 3 we have to simplify it, so you have to follow the first add first two terms, so convert it into like decimal. 4.56 plus 32.0000 minus 0.367, 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. First of all add first two terms. After adding 4560 32.000, you got the answer 36.560. Now subtract it from the answer. Now after adding these two terms, the question become like this. Now subtract these two terms. This 0 become 10, this will become 15, then 4, 10 minus 7 3, 15 minus 6 9, 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 0 6, this is your required result. Now move to second part. Second part is 0.412 plus 67.9 minus 4. So in this case also first convert it into like decimal. 0.412 plus 67.900 minus 4.000. First add first two terms. 0.412 67.900 plus 123.1 carry 86. Now 68.312 minus 4.000. After subtracting 68.312 minus 4.000, we got the answer 31248. That is your required result. Try next part. Complete your notebook till question number 3. Thank you so much. Have a good day.